general consensus seems to be that I do need to varnish the windings a little bit because it's kind of a little fragile and was crumbling a little bit. We just want to make sure that it's going to have a long life. This motor could use bearings probably, so it's not a huge deal anyway. But I do have a motor to practice on with the varnish, which is nice. And here's what, like I said, I used one of these grommets and some extra washers to get that going for a little foot there. Let's see if it stands up straight. All right, I've got it on my flat surface here, and it sits pretty good. It'll push forward a little bit, but it's more or less flat. And if you can see, it is making contact on the table there, which is good. So that's a start. Again, that'll come off there real easy. It's not, I didn't glue it on or anything, so hopefully that'll chill. We'll just be careful with it, and I can always pop another one on there. So there you go. Let's put the grates back on. Here it is with the grates back on it. And they'll come back off if we are able to get to the point where we're comfortable varnishing the windings, and we'll do that. But just to see what it's like now, remember the grates have these hooks, and then one is missing on each side, so I've got it wire tied in there. And we've got our deals. We've got a new foot on the bottom that we just did. We're looking for two things. How much does it shake? Because this fan does shake a little bit. And how much does it rattle now that it's got the grates on it? Because that's always your noisiest factor. Let's go right to high. That's hilarious. Oh, I'm just spilling shit all over. Alright, Supreme Idiot back. Now I think at this point there's nothing behind the fan that's going to get sucked into it. There's no drink for me to knock over. There's not a whole bunch of stuff for me to move in order to clean the liquid that I just dropped. So I think at this point we're ready to go. We're looking for, does it rattle now that it has the grates on it? And how much does it shake? Because it does shake a little bit. I was wondering if having the grate in... So anyway, I spilled another drink, by the way. My thought was that the grates might add a little bit to the structural rigidity of the fan. Keep it from maybe shaking so much when it runs. And so we'll see. Now we're looking for, does it shake? And we're looking for how much does it rattle? Let's hit right from high. Still got the motor bearing noise that we don't like, but it's not rattling, which is nice. Here's medium. Still shaking a little bit, not quite as bad though. That's kind of what I thought was going to happen. And now here's low. Yeah. It's not really shaking. It could have something to do with the surface it's on, number one. Could two have something to do with the grates being on. And three, we've got now a makeshift foot on there. And so there you go. But it's running nice and quiet. I'll tell you, you can't believe how quiet it is. So for going forward, the next thing we'll do is we'll try and practice doing the varnish on an old motor. And then we'll try it on this one. See if we can get that going. So thanks for watching these Arctic Air series. It's a cool fan. Turned out pretty good so far. We'll keep working on it. And, I love it on this low, and it really still moves air on low, which is pretty amazing considering how quiet it is. So that's the deal. Thanks for watching it. Let's do high to a spin down. A little bit of rattling on the back brake. Pretty nice. So there it is. Arctic Air, keeping you cool. Fasco. Thanks for watching, everybody, and thanks for commenting and all the stuff. You know the deal. You know what I'm talking about. All right.